Work from the comfort of your home in your own time and earn as much as you want using your own skills. With TaskMarket, you can list your services, get orders from buyers, and start earning easily. To get started, sign in as a seller and go to your dashboard. On the top right corner, click on Create Service. Here you can create the service that you want to offer to buyers. For example, if you know the video editing using Adobe software, you can create a service for video editing. Fill in all the required details like your service title, category, and description. Make sure your description clearly explains what you are offering so buyer can understand your service easily. Next, set your pricing packages: basic, standard, or premium based on your work. You can define delivery time, revisions, and all the features included in the package. You can also upload a thumbnail and showcase your previous work, so buyers can review your quality before placing an order. After completing all the details, click on Publish, and your service will go live on the marketplace. Now buyers can view your service and place order. You can manage all your works in My Orders section. When buyers places an order, you will receive it there. Once you accept the order, you can start working on the task. After completing the work, upload your final file in the Submit Order section. The buyer will then review your work. If they are satisfied, they will approve it, and the order will be marked as complete. If the work doesn't meet their expectations, they may request changes or cancel the order. Once the order is completed, buyers can leave feedback on your service. Remember, positive feedback is very important. It improves your ranking and helps you get more orders. So list your services today on TaskMarket and start earning from your skills.